Hey, how's it going? As I've mentioned in my previous two videos, we are trying to track down all of the non-Star Wars Hot Wheels RacerVerse vehicles. I picked up this 4-pack. It's Jesse and Space Alien is the first appearance. I've showed you Buzz Lightyear before. I've seen Woody in a single pack, but I've had this for a while, so I'll not pick it up. Let's get this thing open and see what these cars are like. Personally, I'm already going to go ahead and tell you my favorite of the bunch, this guy right here, the Alien in the Pizza Planet truck. I love the Pizza Planet truck. I have all of the castings of that exist, to my knowledge, and it's just a great vehicle. So I'm going to save that one for last. Let me know in the comments down below which one is your favorite. So this one is Jesse in the camper. Is Toy Story 4. I believe was the one they were in the camper. I haven't seen it in a while, but pretty cool. I like that one. It's a metal base. The top is all plastic. I think most of these RacerVerse are that way. Buzz Lightyear, I've showed you this before. He's in his spaceship, which is his package in the movie. And he goes to Al's Toy Barn and see Buzz Lightyear. He's in a package that looks like this spaceship. So that's a pretty cool little feature there. There is one other Toy Story character that's not in this 4-pack. It's Bo Peep, and she's riding a skunk. I'll probably do a short and show you that one at some point. Very cool. Woody riding an RC. This is awesome. So in the first movie, they get separated at the end, and Woody hops on RC and tries to track him down. He's driving it with his remote. This is just a fabulous casting. There is a premium RC, but the blue part's metal. Everything else is plastic on this guy. Super cool. This is probably my second favorite. I grew up with Toy Story, so the nostalgia factor is high with these. And then, last but not least, the Pizza Planet truck with the Alien. Another just fantastic idea. Great casting. The aliens are in the claw machine at Pizza Planet. It says Yo, it's a Toyota, but the rest of it's worn off. It's an old truck and metal base. Everything else is plastic. Anyways, let me know what your favorite is in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Please check out my other videos and have a great day.